Hi, I'm Frederick Bowling, Frank Bowling's grandson, and his studio assistant for the past 7 years. Today, I want to talk about Towards Crab Island, a 1983 painting that's as much about movement and approach as it is about place. The title remembers Crab Island, a small island in the Berbice estuary in Guyana. The last piece of land before the vast Atlantic Ocean. Frank grew up in Guyana, and even in his most abstract work, memories of its rivers, light, and colours surface. This painting isn't a literal view. It's an evocation of travelling towards that place, with all the shifting light and changing depths you'd encounter on the water. During the 1980s, Frank worked with thick acrylic gel, foam strips, and other embedded materials. In Towards Crab Island, those foam strips have lost their formal order, carried by the flow of gel and scattered like flotsam. The surface is richly encrusted, with layers of paint and gel creating a sense of sediment and tide. Gravity plays a role here, pulling the materials down, distorting lines, and letting chance shape the final image. On the left, deep blues and greeny shallows meet at a vertical band of yellow at the edge. In the center, a cascade of pinks and golds and ochres glows like sunset light breaking through water. On the right, a dark vertical zone is flecked with white and pink, and below it, a vivid cobalt blue form, almost like an island silhouette or a crab's claw, anchors the composition. Across the surface, flecks of pale blue and peach drift like foam or coral fragments. Towards Crab Island bridges memory and material. It's about a place Frank knew, but also about the process of making, how color, texture, and gravity can work together to create something alive, unpredictable, and full of movement. For me, it's a painting that feels like you're on the water, heading towards the ocean, with the light changing every moment.